Hi everyone, it's Joanna, and now today I'm gonna demonstrate how we would shoo off a dog. Okay, in Bulgarian. So there are a myriad of ways to say go away in Bulgarian, pretty much all of them offensive. So there is raskарай се or махай се, but none of them are going to work well with dogs. So normally what we would say to a dog, Avery, can I have you for a moment? Sorry. We would say chiba, chiba, chiba. Or we would say kush, kush. Alright, so chiba and kush are for dogs, and for people, if you would like to be that offensive, there would be raskарай се or махай се. Alright. I hope that information was useful. Bye.